Please help me. I'm caught.
Who are you?
I'm Penny. Please, do you think you can untangle me?
I'll try. What are you?
A swan. Ooh, mind you not hurt yourself on that hook. No point in us both getting damaged.
A swan?
Typical me. My first migration and what happens.
Your first what?
Migration. The cold weather's setting in, so we're leaving tomorrow for the warm lands.
You're leaving?
You're a funny one, all these questions.
Sorry.
What's your name?
Everyone calls me ugly.
Oh, don't listen to them. It's a stage we all have to go through. You should hear some of the things they called me before the mole.
How could anyone call you names?
Like I say, it's just a stage we all have to go through.
Excuse me, could you lift your wing up?
My mother always warned me to avoid the fishing line that people leave behind.
So did mine. She told me when we were out swimming. There, just one more loop around your leg.
Oh, thank you. I thought I was going to be left behind, and this is no place to spend the winter alone. Where's your flock?
I don't know. I'm lost. I was separated from them, and the more I seem to look for them, the farther I seem to wander away.
That's dreadful. When did you last see them?
In the spring.
In the spring? You've been lost since the spring? You poor thing. You can't stay here for the winter. You'll freeze.
No, I'll be alright.
Penny! Come with me. The others won't mind, and then next spring we'll return together, and I'll help you find your family.
Oh, I couldn't possibly.
Of course you could. Come on now, we'll never catch up.
It sounds wonderful, but I can't fly yet, or at least not well enough to go with you.
It doesn't matter if you're not as strong as the others. I'll stay back with you and fly at your pace.
I'd love to, but must keep going. I'm sure my mother can't be far away. Maybe when you come back in the spring we can meet up again.
I like that. Are you sure you will be all right?
I'm sure.
Penny, come on, darling, we'll be late.
I hate to leave you like this, but I really have to go now. Goodbye, and thank you again. I won't forget you. Honk!
Honk? I've seen butterflies on bluebells drinking in the dew, cobwebs in the sunlight shining. I've seen them too. I've seen woodlands in the autumn, falling leaves of every shade, and you. I thought I knew what beautiful was, but now I've seen you. I've seen waterfalls cascading, sparkling in the light. Damselflies that dance their dance from morning till night. I've seen rainbows reaching skyward, pass between the clouds, then fade from view. I thought I knew what beautiful was, but now I've seen you, and now I've seen the willows weeping branches, the misty morning air. A clear and starry night has nothing to compare with you. I've seen swallows in the summer wheeling overhead. I have seen the silkworm spinning gossamer thread. I have seen the golden sunset over the horizon painted sky.